you should know that I'm an alto, so anything that happens right here, I shouldn't be responsible for, because you clicked on this video, you expected me to be able to sing this fucking song right. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna do my best, but I can promise you it's not what you're expecting. I'm no Idina Menzel. I'm no Idina Menzel. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing her name right. Fuck. Feel myself coughing up blood already.
Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Let the storm rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway.
No, I'm doing pretty well.
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fear that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry right now. I know you guys want me to do this, but you don't want it. I'm sure you don't want it. Power flurries through the air and to the ground. My soul is spiraling in frozen battles all around. With one thought crystallized, this like an ice be blessed. I've never thought back. The past is in the past.
Can I please stop?
Let it go, let it go. Rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day.
Fuck. Okay, here goes. I'm gonna do it.
Let the storm rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway.
See, I told you, you're not gonna like it, and you insisted, and I did it, and I'm so sorry.